Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to change file type on iPhone. First of all, open a browser and type here, change file type online, and open this first website called Online Converter. And from here, you can convert your audio, document, web service, software. So right now, I want to convert a photo into PDF. So I'm gonna tapping on document converter and selecting convert to PDF. Choose file, photo library, and I'm gonna selecting the photo, add, and scroll down, tap on start, and it may take some time to process the file, and then tap on download, tap on open in, scroll down, tap on save to files, select a folder and tap on save. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.